Hello all. Today let's learn the difference between mitai des and rashii des. There are several uses to mitai des and rashii des, but today we will be sticking to the grammar point where both mitai des and rashii des roughly translate to like or similar to in English. The conjugation rule for this particular usage is noun plus rashii des or noun plus mitai des. Let's start with mitai. Let's take a few examples. This cake is hard as a rock or hard like a rock. Kono keiki ishi mitai ni katai. You are slow like a tortoise. Anata kame mitai ni osoi. Her smile is like sunshine. Kanajo no eigao wa taiyo mitai. So everywhere here, you're basically taking a noun and comparing it with a totally different noun. So cake is compared to a rock, and then some person is compared to a tortoise, and then someone's smile is compared to sunshine, right? So there are two totally different nouns, and then you're taking a topic and saying how in this particular way this topic is similar to this thing or this person, right? So this is mitai. Now let's go to rashiidesu. In English, rashiidesu also is like only, is used like. Kyo wa atatakutte haru rashi. Today is warm like spring, like how spring should be. So I will say today is warm like spring only when today is actually spring itself. If today is, say, autumn, then I have to use mitai. So when I'm taking a particular topic and saying, I'm not really comparing here, I'm just commenting. With Rashi, this, I'm not comparing, I'm commenting. I'm just taking this topic, which is today, and saying, today is spring like, today is spring, and it is so spring like. This is how spring should be. Kare wa otoko rashii desu ne. So he is a man and he is so manly, like how a man should be. Again, more than comparison, this is just a comment. Jibun rashiku ikiru. I will be myself and I will live life on my terms. So this is Rashi this. Here, you're not really comparing, you're commenting and saying it's how it should be. So, if you use Rashiku this, it would mean the opposite. Something is not acting like how it's supposed to be. Anata Rashiku this is so not you. You wouldn't normally do this, but happened to you, right? Anata Rashiku So, this is Rashi this. If I act like myself, it would be Jibun Rashi. If I act like a totally different person, like another person, then that would be Kare Mitai. You're acting like him, right? So this is the difference between Mitai des and Rashi des. Hope it was clear. Let's see if we've really understood. Quiz time. Kodomo wa, you have to choose between Kodomo Rashiku, Kodomo Mitai ni. So, 子供は dash 外で遊ぶべきです。彼は again you have to choose between Kirin Rashiku or Kirin Mitai ni. 背が高いです。彼は dash 背が高いです。I hope you found this a little helpful. If you know the answer, please post it in the comment section below. I'll see you again with another video.